Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are three exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Easy level. Nobody can find the odd one 4D. Excellent, you picked the right one. Can you find the odd emoji within given time? In the end of video, comment your score. How many did you find the odd one? Can you find the odd letter GS? This one is the right letter. Focus Master can find the number 07. Amazing, you are a focus master. Can you identify the odd one number 25? Amazing, you identify the right number. Puzzle Master can find the letter DF. Awesome, this one is the odd letter. Find the odd one earth emoji within time. This one is the odd emoji. Brain test. Can you find the letter GV? Your brain is amazing. Difficult to find the number 25. Amazing, you are a master of difficult quiz. Can you find the unique letter or C? This one is the unique letter. Easy level done, medium level start. Can you find the odd emoji within 15 seconds? Amazing! This one is the odd emoji. Can you find the odd number within given time? That's one, the odd number. Genius can find the odd number within given time limits. Really, you are a genius, man. Look simple but not easy. Find the odd emoji. Great job, you find it within given time. No one can find the odd letter within given time frame. This one is the odd letter. Amazing. Genius viewers, impossible to find the odd number. I know this was impossible, but you find it. Genius, can you find the odd letter emoji? This one is the right one. Can you find the odd one within given time? Amazing, this one is the odd one. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? Yes, this one is the unique number. Genius viewers, attention here. Can you find the odd number? Really, you are a genius. Can you pick the odd one number within given time? Yes, you picked the right number. Anybody can find the odd one letter within time. Excellent. This one is the odd letter. Genius. One letter is different. Can you find it? Amazing. This one is a different letter. Can you find the repeated number within given time? Excellent. You have a sharp eyes. Eyes test. Can you find the odd number within time? Amazing. Your eyes like a eagle eyes. 2 exciting level done. Hard level start. 99% failed to find the odd emoji. This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Are you smart? Find the odd number within time. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Brain test. Can you find the odd number within time? Wow, your IQ level like Einstein IQ. Quiz lover, can you see it? The odd letter? Excellent, you see it, the odd one within given time. Test your brain power, find the odd number. Excellent, your brain power like ChatGPT. Only 1% can find the odd emoji. I know this one is the difficult quiz emoji, but you find it. Test your visual power, find the odd letter. Amazing, you passed the visual test. Test your brain IQ, find the odd number. Your brain will be tested. You find the right number. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Nice, your 2 eyes like a 4 eyes. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within time. Really, you have a sharp eyes. You find the right number. Can you find a different letter within given time? This one is the different letter. Genius, can you find the odd one letter within time? Amazing, this one is the odd one letter. You watch the full video. Tell me in the comment box which part did you enjoy the most, easy, medium or hard, and also comment me what should I improve in my next video. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd one, and subscribe the channel.